In this video, I will show you how to request a Wells Fargo credit card limit increase. So to do that, you must ensure two things. One, that your account has been opened for at least 6 months and your payment history is flawless. Second is that you have a higher household income now because it improves the chance of your credit limit increase proposal being approved. Now there are two ways you can do it. One, you can simply call their customer service. You can find their number in Google. Simply search up customer service Wells Fargo number. From here you can find the credit card section number. Simply call them. After that, give them your account details and then tell them that you wish to increase your credit limit. Then you will be connected with the customer service representative and they will guide you through the process. Now the next way you can do it is through online. Simply open up Wells Fargo in any Chrome or web browser. Search for Wells Fargo, click on the URL, then click on sign on. Put in your username and password and simply sign on to your account. Once you're done, you can navigate to Account Services or Credit Card Service Center from the menu bar. From there, choose the particular credit card in which you want to increase your limit. Once you click on it, there you might find the increase request option. It varies depending on the type of card you have selected. After that, you can simply put in your request and then the bank will go through your verification and they will inform you once it's approved. If you think this video was helpful, please like, share, subscribe to our channel and leave us a comment down below. Thank you for watching.